Hello guys, if you want to find custom community state layouts or designs in Forza Horizon 6, then first open the pause menu. From here, head over to the Creative Hub tab and then select the estates option. Once you open it, you'll see a bunch of different estate layouts and custom designs that have been created by other players in the community. You can also switch between different categories to browse more styles, themes and layouts. And if you want something more specific, you can use the search option to filter results, set a maximum cost and customize the search however you want. Now once you find an estate layout that you like, simply select it. From here, you'll be able to download the design. After downloading it, the game will ask if you want to manage your estate right away. Just confirm it and then you'll get the option to build and apply the layout. You'll also be able to see how much the estate customization cost before confirming it. Once you accept it, the game will start building the new layout for your estate. And after that, the changes should appear immediately. For example, the estate can get a completely different entrance design after applying the layout. And that's basically it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.